Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to go on this site www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download the Gigabyte any devices driver. After that you can see in the right hand side search icon. Just click on it. Enter the model number of your graphic card GeForce RTX 4060 Ti Gaming OC8G and then hit enter. After that your graphic card search on this website and then click on the product, and this is your graphic card. Just click on it. Then click on support. Then select the operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same. Select the operating system, then this is your driver, this is version, this is size, and this is download icon. So guys, when you click to download, it will start downloading. After that you can see click on the download icons to start. Okay, after it is completed downloading, and then click on three dot. After that click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete driver installations will start. After that you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.